Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video I want to show you how I made these gorgeous Christmas ornaments. They came out absolutely beautiful, and I used some items that I picked up from Amazon and the Dollar Tree to create these lovely items. And guys, if you are watching and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click that notification bell. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how I created these. This is very easy and really self-explanatory. And if you're interested in seeing how I created this, just keep watching. So for my two projects today, I'm going to use some Christmas ornaments that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to take that tag off of it right now. I'll leave a complete list of everything I used for both projects in the description section below. I'm going to use this silver confetti that I picked up from my discount store, and this bag was 99 cents. I'm going to use some pliers. I'm also going to use that metallic wire, and I'm going to get started. So before I start the project, I realized I didn't have a funnel, so I just created one just using paper, just rolled it, and then I taped it shut. I'm just going to pour the confetti down the funnel into the ornament, and then I'm just going to keep doing that until the ornament is completely full. So now that it's full, I'm going to use a little hot glue and seal that top to the ornament. After that, I'm going to hot glue these beautiful brooches on the front and the back of this ornament. This was very quick and easy, and it came out absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm just going to use this metallic wire that I picked up from my craft store, either Joann's or Michael's, and I'm just going to make a hanger for our ornament. And yeah, I'm just going to make sure that that wire is folded over and twisted nice and tight so that it doesn't poke anyone that uses it. But guys, this is it. This came out absolutely beautiful. I love the way this looks. So now for the next project, I'm going to use another ornament that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do with this one is basically do the exact same thing that I did with the first one. I'm going to take this faux snow that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and as you can see, it's sort of iridescent in color with a little bit of pinks and blues in it. And I'm simply going to just pour that down my funnel and into the ornament. I'm going to keep pouring it until the ornament is nice and full. So these gemstones I'm going to use are some AB sew on crystals that I picked up from Amazon, and they come in different sizes, and I absolutely love the way they look, and I thought these would be perfect. Also, I picked these up last year, guys, so if these are not available and you like these, just look around on Amazon and see if you see them. They're absolutely beautiful and they're easy to work with. And so I'm just going to create a beautiful design on the front and on the back of this ornament. And that's it, guys. That's how that looks. They came out absolutely beautiful. Here they both go. I love the way they look. Very inexpensive, and I love the brooch details and the gemstones on the smaller one. Absolutely gorgeous. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'd love to read your thoughts. And I want to thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.